stick inside on. And that's the whole shot. Gotta get close now. You don't want to let the ball in front of you, right? You want the ball more alongside. You see, bounce stroke is in up front. This high bounce, when you get on the side of it, as if your arms are like two parentheses around the ball, and it's going to come around. You have to turn to the net. Make them in, too close. Yes. Back up. Now, nothing else. That's the swinging mountain motion. You know the ball's out. So now I'm going to give you a ball. You're going to hit it just as high as you can bounce someone up there. And now you hit it from the start. Same stroke. Okay? Same stroke. Now side arm motion. Move in. Yes.
Ouch.
That's good. Just a while, you find out that you put yourself away. Yes. You got to turn to the net. You're not turning to the net. Swing is good, but you're standing like this. You're not